Hey guys, this is Sumit here from DeepReel, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily change caption styles inside our AI video editor. Here is a draft video that I have generated from a trending article, and the captions were generated automatically. Let's check the video out for a couple of seconds.
Did you know TikTok's US operations are worth just $14 billion? That's right. The app, with 170 million American users, is being valued at a fraction of what experts expected in Trump's new sale plan.
Whoa. Okay, so now to change the captions, let's go under the Captions tab on the left over here. And as you can see, you have different caption styles over here. Let's try this one.
That's right. The app, with 170 million American users, is being valued at a fraction.
Let's check this one.
The app, with 170 million American users, is being valued at a fraction of what experts expected.
Let's see this.
In Trump's new sale plan. President Trump just signed an executive order approving the sale of TikTok's US operations to...
I can even further customize the captions by changing the text color, by changing the accent color. Let's make it blue. Also, I can change the font. Let's select Roboto. Yeah. And let's try another font, Lato. Yeah. I can change the font weight, make it extra bold. Okay. Make it black. Yeah, I like this one. And also I can change the font size. Yeah. Let's play it again from here.
A fraction of what experts expected in Trump's new sale plan. President Trump just signed an executive order approving the sale of TikTok's US operations to American investors. This allows TikTok to keep operating in the US while addressing security concerns in the 2024 law that threatened to ban it.
Nice. You can go ahead and experiment with all the captions that you have here, customize it even further with the settings here. And that's it. This is how easy it is to change caption styles inside DeepReel. So go ahead, experiment and create stunning videos.